Hello, I'll be sharing with you today on how you can spy on your competitors through Facebook Ads Library. Facebook Ad Library is a tool created by Facebook. I call it a big spy tool, which enables you to see what your competitors or other business owners are doing on Facebook. So let's go straight into it. You go to you type facebook.com/ads/library, or you go to Google and search for Facebook Ads Library. It brings you here. You select your location. You click here to select where you are, your location. If you're in Nigeria, wherever you are, you click. Then your ad category, your kind of ad category. So you go through and select your ad category. But for this, I'm going to click all ads. Then you select here, you're going to select your category, your kind of business, your niche. For this video, I'm going to use beauty. So I'll use the keyword beauty. Beauty. So it's going to bring me to a page where there'll be list of adverts from different businesses. Yeah, this is it. It said launched in February 2023. So these are adverts that were launched on Facebook in February 2023. So here it shows you the platforms where the adverts are running presently. You see active, that means this advert is ongoing now. This is a platform, this is a Facebook, this is on Instagram, this is on Audience Network, and this is on Messenger. So you just scroll through and see what goes with your kind of business or what you're looking for. So basically what you're looking for here is to see the structure of the advert. You see the ad copy, what it looks like. You see the creative, what it looks like. Is it video? Is it image? You can copy. I'm not saying you should copy someone's advert, but you can get ideas from here and use it to create your own advert. If you want to go further to see the details of the advert, you can click on see details like this. See ad details. It shows you everything about the ad, the page, more info and everything. If you want to go ahead to see where it takes you to, you can click on book now. So let's go back to the results. So from here, you can even see what the person's sales page look like. So you can click on learn more. It takes you to the person's sales page. You see everything here. So you can get your ideas here and set up your own sales page, start running your ads. Isn't that wonderful? So it's a very wonderful tool to use. Anytime you're confused or you don't know where to start from, you can just go to Facebook Ads Library and get ideas from there. Thank you for watching to the end. If this is your first time here, my name is Joy Wawe. If this content resonates with you, click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on our great content. Like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.